Hello guys. Okay. There was this weird sound here in Fostoria, Ohio, at the rail camp in Fostoria, Ohio East. There was this weird sound. It was like, and it kept getting like lighter and lighter and lighter. So let's see. It can't have been a train, but it was pretty weird. I hear one coming though. I think. I hear like the there. Yeah, that. Who is that? Papa, what was that noise?
What noise?
This.
Sounds like a train.
You gotta be kidding me. Sounds okay. It was. Okay. That's the weirdest train horn ever. I have a feeling it's like a work train. Okay. Or maybe it's like that truck hauling some gondolas or something. I know it's a rare catch. Let's see. That's the worst horn ever. But it's cool because now I know I'm going to get a rare catch. If we switch to cams, we're going to see it. Okay. Okay, is this a ghost train? Papa, is this a ghost train?
I guess it is. I don't see it.
Oh, maybe it's on that side. Oh yeah, there it is. It's Norfolk Southern. Ooh, it has a unit from different countries. I knew it was some kind of cool train. Let's switch cams. Oh, it just ended. No need to do that. Thanks for watching.